Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to plan a trip on the Google Maps application. So, at first we have to make a final destination. So if we want to travel somewhere, we have to first search for this point or mark a pin on the map and then search the destination to this place. So for example, somewhere here, and here now directions. As you can see, we can drive there, we can go there by some public transportation, we can walk there and cycle there. And for example, let me plan my cycling week between some cities. So we have to tap add stops here, and we can choose the point on the map using this button or search along route by some points. So for example, here we have our final destination. So let me zoom in to this place because I want to go to this city before going to some other. Now we have to click OK button, and now as you can see, this is our route for our bike. We can add another stop, your location, or choose on the map. I will choose on the map and I want to go even here, but I want still my final destination to be the other city. Here, as you can see, my bike route looks completely different here, here and here, and we can switch between the routes. For example, I can choose this route now or this, every other. As you can see, it is that easy. It works with the bicycle, with the car, public transportation, and even walking. Walking is rather in one city, but yeah, as somebody wants. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.